Before time itself, there was nothing. No stars, no planets, not even space as we know it. Then, in an instant, everything changed. Around 13.8 billion years ago, an event known as the Big Bang created the universe we call home. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an expansion of space itself. In those first fractions of a second, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. As it expanded, it cooled, allowing these particles to combine into the first simple elements, hydrogen and helium. Over millions of years, gravity worked its magic. Hydrogen and helium clumped together to form stars, igniting nuclear fusion and lighting up the cosmos. Galaxies began to take shape, becoming the islands of stars we see today. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, formed around 13.5 billion years ago. Within it, countless stars live and die, creating heavier elements that eventually form planets, including our own Earth. Earth, a tiny speck in the vast universe, is unique, but space holds wonders far beyond our imagination. Did you know that black holes, regions of space with gravity so strong that nothing can escape, can sometimes be millions of times more massive than our sun? Or that nebulae, the colorful clouds of gas and dust, are often the birthplaces of new stars? The universe is vast, containing an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, and within those galaxies, billions of planets could potentially harbor life. Yet, as much as we know about space, there's so much more to discover. Dark matter, dark energy, mysteries that remind us how small we are and how much we have yet to learn. Space is not just a frontier to explore. It's a reminder of where we came from, a source of endless wonder, and perhaps a glimpse of where we're headed.